What's up guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing this frame housing for the GoPros 5 through 7 that was sent to me by the Sametop company. I'm going to be doing a direct comparison between this frame housing and the stock GoPro frame housing. Now the main difference between these two frame housings is that the Sametop housing offers a much bigger side door than the OEM housing, which allows you to actually open the door and leave it open while keeping the GoPro in the case. It also offers an open compartment on this side, which lets you access the power and mode button, whereas the OEM one has like a fake button. I prefer the feeling of this one. Both cases feel to be the same structurally. The same top case feels very secure. I'm going to get my GoPro camera in it and see how it feels, make sure it doesn't rattle around or anything, and we're going to check that out. Okay, so now I've got my camera in the housing. I forgot my lens cover because I had it in a full case, but the camera fits great. There's no rattle at all, and you can see here's the side door, just opens right up, and you've got full access to your HDMI port and your charging port. So yeah guys, if you're looking for a frame housing that allows you access to the side door so you can keep your GoPro plugged in or use your mic adapter without taking the door off, because I've seen a lot of people break their side doors when they take them off, and you can just leave it on with this case. That's what's really great about it. I'm going to leave a description for their website below. The Sametop company, I'm a big fan. I really like your case. I'm going to be checking out some of your future cases because I definitely need a skeleton case for when I finally get a mic adapter for moto vlogging. So I'm going to definitely look into Sametop. I hope you guys look into Sametop because they make some great products, and hope you have a good one.